Hi everyone, welcome back to K Science Academy. If you are joining us for the first time, this is K Science Academy where we talk on mathematics, physics, chemistry and science facts. You are all welcome. Today in this video, we are going to solve more problem on laws of indices. That is, we are going to solve more problem applying our laws of indices. First question, let's look at this first question. This is combination of two laws of indices. That is, we have 2 raised to power 4 divided by 2 raised to power 3, everything raised to power 3. Now, let's look at this. Applying the power of a quotient, that is, applying the power of a quotient law, that is, this divided by this. So, taking that, we can say this is going to be 2 raised to power 4, everything raised to power 3. Then here, 2 raised to power 3, everything raised to power 3. So from this we can apply the product of our power. That is power of a power law. This is one power, this is another power, this is one power, this is another power. So this is going to be 2, and the law says you multiply the powers. 4 times 3, and that's 12 over the same thing here. That's 2 raised to power 3 times 3, that is 9. Now we can apply our quotient law to this. We have the same base. We pick one of the base, which is 2. Then we pick the exponent 12, division change to minus. Then you pick the next exponent, which is 9. So this is equals to 2. 12 minus 9, that's 3. So we have 2 raised to power 3, and that's going to be 8. So let's move to the second question. The second question is simply, inside of this we have multiplication rule, that is the product rule. Then we have power, that is power of a power. So now, that is the product of a power. You have product inside and power outside. So looking at this, these are the same base. Let's pick one of the base. Our power is -1 here, -1. The multiplication turns to addition. Our power here is 3. Then everything raised to the power of what? 2. So this is going to give us 4. -1 plus 2, that's 2. Everything raised to power 2. And don't forget, when you have power of a power law, you multiply the index or the power together. So that will be 4 raised to power 4. So we can solve for that. Now let's look at the third question. You have product rule here, inside here. Then you still have quotient, then everything raised to power 2. So solve it one after the other. Let's deal with the numerator first. So applying product rule, pick the first base. Our first index is 3. Multiplication change to addition using that multiplication law, which is product law. Then we have -1, everything over 2 raised to power 2, all squared. Now we have, this is 2 raised to power 3 minus 1, that's 2. Then we have 2 raised to power 2, everything raised to power 2. So from here we can simplify further, or just apply our power of a power. So simplifying further, we are going to have something like 2 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power 2. So that is going to be 1 raised to power 2, and that's going to be 1. Or we can say from this side, we can now say we have 2 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power 2. Then everything raised to power 2, everything raised to power 2. And that will now be 2. Multiplying the index, that will be 4. Over multiplying the index, that will be 4. And you have 2 raised to power 4 over 2 raised to power 4. And that is equals 1. So thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to solve some difficult question, and we are going to solve indicial equation. That is the equation that we are going to apply indices before we are able to solve it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow us for more. Bye.